So it's just been so great, and I'm just so, it makes me so excited that this is just 1 year in. I know it has been a little while since I have kind of given an update on my Sisterlocks. I've been Sisterlock for 1 year, and I'm getting my locks retied. So much has happened in this year. You know, I started off with the 6 inches of natural hair and just pretty much logged my journey pretty consistently through month 8 until I had a medical issue, and I ended up being hospitalized for 1 whole month, if you can imagine. So that kind of took me out of the vlogging game, and I'm actually planning on doing a whole separate video on that topic. But praise God, my little girl, she's perfectly healthy, and God blessed me to end up being okay too. I kind of ran out the house too. Like I said, you know, I had a lot of stuff going on. Clearly, I have a newborn at home. So I ran out the house, but I would love to, and I'm hoping to be able to just take some pictures when my ReTie is finished, you know, of my progress, to kind of compare it to where I started and where I am today. It encourages me a lot, and I actually look through my own pictures a lot just to kind of be encouraged about you know, my growth and my progress, and stay in the journey, stay in the path, being patient, and all those things. And I know it encourages a lot of you all out there too, because you let me know. So I'm gonna get camera ready while I'm getting my hair retied. I have my big old makeup case with me that I recently did not recently, but a few months ago, I did a video about how I organize all my makeup. So I'm gonna be kind of working from that while I'm getting my hair retied to get dolled up a little bit. I did wash my hair before I left the house, so that's this little microfiber towel I have on, just to kind of dry my hair a little bit before I get you know, to my Loctician shop to you know, save her a little bit of time, which she does offer wash service. It just depends on what I want, need at that point. But I said I just washed it at home, so you know, when I get there, we can just go ahead and start working on the retie. Good to see you.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
It's been a long time.
I know it has.
Happy Locaversary. You ready for your ReTie?
I am.
All right, let's get started.
Okay.
You cannot with one hand. You cannot.
My glasses keep fogging up. But
Every
no,
time you
we're
breathe.
just kind of looking back on the year. You know, I feel really, really good about my hair, my progress, and I know a lot of that has to do just with you just kind of watching so carefully over my hair as it grew and taking such good care of it, because, you know, outside of washing it, you know, and putting a bonnet on at night, I don't be having to do nothing.
You ain't gonna do nothing.
So that's all thanks to you, you know, doing such a great job on them, because I get compliments all the time.
You do.
Which is cool.
That makes me feel good.
Yeah, no, I get a lot of compliments, and I know several people who have started lock journeys. I'm not going to say I'm the reason they started the lock journey, but I think, you know, I was definitely a big influence in it, and that makes me feel really, really good. You know, let the people know, like,
thank you.
come here and get you in good hands.
You in good hands.
Yes, you are.
I do my best.
Yes, you do. Almost done with my ReTie.
We are getting to it.
Yeah, getting a deeper side part this time to cover. Oh wait, I'm not supposed to say that. Getting a deeper side part this time. Change my look up a little bit. I did my makeup to take some Instagram pictures. Here's my makeup kit. I said I did a video on this. I'll link it up, but that's my brushes and my kit. So nice to kind of have it handy and just kind of throw it in my car so I can get ready when I'm gonna go. But I have a couple pictures for you guys too. So here you see it, my 1 year retie. And just looking at the pictures between when I first got my locks and where they are now, it's just a world difference. I've had so much growth and they've matured a lot. They've condensed down a lot. And I just really feel like my locks really just kind of fit me, and they really fit my face and my personality too. So it's just been so great, and I'm just it makes me so excited that this is just 1 year in. I'm just wondering, what is it going to be like at 2 years, 4 years, 6 years? Feels like it's just going to get better and better. So I'm happy that you guys have been kind of on this journey with me, but you get to see what 1 year of patience gets you when you start with 6 inches of coarse type 4 hair. So here you go. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.